tired of boring lunches? We're making full meals in a MUG in minutes. Get ready for microwave magic. First up, mug pizza. Mix 4 tablespoon flour, 1/4 tsp baking powder, pinch of salt. Add 3 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon oil. Top with sauce, cheese, and pepperoni. Microwave for 1 minute. Next, creamy tomato pasta. Add 1/2 cup cooked pasta, 1/2 cup crushed tomatoes, 1/4 cup cream, and seasonings to your mug. Microwave for 1 minute, stirring halfway through. Finally, a mug quiche. Whisk 1 egg with 2 tablespoon milk, chopped veggies, and cheese. Microwave for 1 to 2 minutes until set. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner done. Who needs a kitchen? Try these mug meals and level up your microwave game. Like and subscribe for more quick eats.